Hey guys, it's time for the monthly market report looking back to March 2021. The stats are crazy. Let's jump right into it. I'm Tim Higham with RE/MAX Core Realty here in Prince George, and I just want to take 2, maybe 3 minutes to talk about the stats today, see what's happening in the market, and try to make some sense of the craziness. So let's jump right into the stats. All right. We'll be focusing on detached homes within the city limits. Sales were at 112 compared to 51 last year, an increase of 120%. Whoa, like that is massive. Active listings were at 144. That's down from 159 last year, a decrease of 9.4%. So what are we seeing here? We're seeing way more sales and just slightly less active listings. So there's a ton of activity for the amount of listings that's out there. New listings, we had 165 compared to 86 last year. That's an increase of 91.9%. So a lot of new listings, a lot of sales, and inventory sitting kind of like it was. We have way more activity than we would typically have at this time of year. Days on market average 25. That's down from 30 last year, a drop of 16.7%. Percent of original price, we're looking at 100.8%. So the average house is selling for over list price. Last year this time we were looking at 97.5%. I don't know when we could say, looking back, that there was ever another time that the average sales price was above the list price. Price per square foot sitting at 192 compared to 167 last year. That's an increase of 15%. So excellent gains if you've been holding real estate over the last year. Months supply, we're sitting at 1.8. That's down from 2.1 last year, pretty tight. Clearly a seller's market, very little supply out there. Average sales price, $456K. That is up from $406K last year this time, an increase of 12.3%. So to sum it all up, it's definitely a seller's market. Not a lot of selection out there for buyers. If you're thinking how much you're going to pay for a price, consider the list price to be just a starting point, and it will go from there. We've seen houses sell up to $60K over list in the last month or two, so it's a very hot time. Have a plan together if you're a buyer, if you're a seller. Still make sure your home is priced correctly, you're working with a great professional, and it's marketed well to earn you the best value for your home. If you have any questions anytime, I'd love to connect with you. Give me a call or text, and until next time, take care.